Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and I have some special guests in my kitchen tonight. They're leaving. They were all excited to do a live, and now they're being shy. Audie, you get in here. You've met these girls before. These are our granddaughters. This is Audie Hope. Can you say hi? Hi to my friends. Come on, Emma. This is Emma Grace. Say hi. And then over here, hold on, is our eldest daughter, Chelsea. We have family in the living room watching. They are watching Disney Plus. But we are in the kitchen tonight doing all of our baking for Thanksgiving. Well, we're doing the desserts. So far we have done, I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to walk around with you guys. We have done snickerdoodle cupcakes, which have yet to be iced. We've done some, that's going to be chocolate cake. And then we're going to show you or tell you how to make, she's trying to not get in the camera. You're part of this. We are, Chelsea requested Ooey Gooey pumpkin cake, which we have a pumpkin roll coming on Thanksgiving. My mother-in-law's bringing a pumpkin roll. So this is a little different. This is an old Paula Deen recipe, which hence the name Ooey Gooey. It has lots and lots of butter. This is not a this is a good old-fashioned Southern Paula Deen dessert. So we're going to kind of give you the basics, and then I'll post the recipe on my page later if you want to make it for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or actually whenever. It's really yummy. We love pumpkin so much. Like, I buy extra cans of pumpkin and keep them in my pantry all year just in case we get a craving for something pumpkin flavored. I know I have some pumpkin haters out there, but you'll have to humor us pumpkin lovers for just a few minutes. So we're going to show you what we did so far, and I'm going to flip the camera around. We have, the recipe starts with just a good old-fashioned box mix butter cake. And so we took that box mix and we added 1 egg and 8 tablespoons of melted butter, and you mix that really well, and this is what you get. You see it's kind of a thick, more like a cookie batter, and you spread that in a 13x9 pan, okay? So then, Emma, I need somebody over here to mix. Who wants to mix? Okay, you can mix in the eggs, Audie. So go ahead and get your mixer in there. What we have here before we turn it on, hold on sister, we have a block of cream cheese, so 8 ounces of cream cheese. Then we added to that 1 can of pumpkin. We added in a teaspoon of vanilla, and Audie has already mixed that really well. And now we're going to add in 3 eggs. Audie, put your mixer, make sure it stays in the bowl. Turn it on the lowest setting. Okay. Pick it up off the bottom and mix. Okay, Emma, pour in we're going to pour in 1 egg at a time. Nope, hold your mixer in there, Audie, or we'll have a mess. Okay, we got 1 egg. Emma, add the other egg. Okay. All right, go ahead and add 1 more egg. And to that, we're going to add another 8 tablespoons of melted butter. All right, we'll move this out of the way. And Chelsea is going to add in 3 1/2 cups of powdered sugar.
That's right there.
Just kind of slowly put that in there while she mixes. Don't pull it up, keep it in the bowl. Just dump it, Chelsea. There you go. It's okay. We're getting messy.
Yeah.
Just like, yeah. Okay. So one more of those, and then this half. Don't pull it out. There you go. Good job. Get it all in there. Okay, watch out, let Nana get right here. Alright, while they're finishing that up, I'm going to get out some cinnamon. Hold that, Emma. And we're going to get...
Oh, Papa's watching.
We're going to get nutmeg. Alright, get that all mixed in. That's good. Go ahead and turn it off.
Daddy's here.
Okay. Hey. Alright, so we're going to add in... I need this.
Some of
It's okay if it drips. Alright. Yes, Emma, I need that, baby. Alright.
It tastes good.
So now we're going to add in to this mixture, and I'm going to flip the camera. Emma, hold the camera just on the bowl. Okay. We'll get a teaspoon. Yes. Chelsea, look at my drawer and get a half a teaspoon. We're going to add in a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Yummy.
And some nutmeg. So we're going to sprinkle that in.
Smells nice.
It does smell nice. Cinnamon is wonderful. A little bit of nutmeg goes a ways. Double check this is nutmeg, right? I have made that mistake before. Go ahead and sprinkle.
That's scary.
Alright. Now we're going to do that.
All done.
We're just going to blend this in. There we go.
Looks like a pumpkin.
It does, huh? It smells, if you could smell this. Yum, yum. Alright, so that's what the filling is going to look like. And you're just going to take it. What? They're not going to be in the live with us. We're just showing them the basics, and Nana's going to... Alright, friends. Hey, Emma. Watch out, baby. Alright, we're filling in. Pouring the filling right here. Just pour it on the top of that cake mix in there. And then we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes.
Papa's watching.
I know.
Let me see.
Papa's watching.
Hi.
All right. And that's it. We're going to put it in the oven, like I said, 350 degrees for about 40, 45 minutes. And it's going to come out. It's still going to be kind of jiggly and ooey gooey, hence the name. And it'll set up once you take it out of the oven. Super delicious, and you eat it in a bowl, and it's really super yummy with a cup of coffee. So anyway, we just wanted to show you Ooey Gooey pumpkin cake. I hope you all are having a fabulous holiday week. Enjoy your family. Make sure that you express your thanks around. That's what we're going to do, right? We're going to all tell 2 things, right, that we're thankful for on Thanksgiving. All right. Enjoy your family, and until I'll see you again, happy crafting. Bye, guys.